Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Oh, Russell's gonna take your monkey. Here's our Russell. Do you have your Sophie? Do you have your Sophie? Russell really wants your Sophie. No, Russ. Oh, that's your Sophie? Yeah. That's your pet giraffe. Russell would really like it. Do 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 do. Oh, do do. Here, Russell. Come here. Sit. And Emma's getting ready to go. No, Gordon. Oh, what's that sound?
Are you doing a video?
Yep. Snoticles. Yum. Sometimes it spooks her when you cough or sneeze. Yeah. No. Just leave it, Russell. Just leave it. Are you going to roll over? Are you going to roll over? Liliana. Oh. Hi, Doodly Bear. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. That's your puppy up there. That's your puppy. Ah, that's nice. What else is happening? What else is happening? Ooh, let's see how much hair you have. Ooh. Ah. Where'd your hat go? Where'd your hat go? Oh, that's your giraffe. Yeah. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Liliana. Liliana, are you looking at your pup? Are you looking at your pup? Hi. Hi. And there's your puppy. He wants your toy so bad. Yeah. Hi. Oh. Are you gonna roll right over? Are you gonna roll right over? Hi, Doodle Bear. Liliana. Who's my wiggle girl? Hi. La 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 la. It's awesome. I'm so glad it keeps you nice and warm too. Okay, we gotta get a picture of your sissy. So this is the quilt that Hannah and Georgia and Felix And Grandma made. Yeah. All the squares are from all her cousins in Calgary. We got the turtle and Sanders, their bearded dragon, and a fishy with a whole bunch of lures, and a cute little butterfly.
A dragonfly.
And Felix the, oh, it's a dragonfly, excuse me. Felix the frog. And this is very much New Zealand inspired. It's a kiwi bird. And then we have the Liliana. She's on top of an owl. And is it a hamster? A little bear? A kitty?
A hamster.
A hamster, of course.
It's
That's
Joe.
Joe. Yes. And then we have an owl with the big eyes. And a little slimy snail. And a nice busy bee ball. And oh my gosh, I'm missing this. Ah la la! And a Canada goose. And behind Lily is another bird.
Oh no.
Ah la la. Oh la la. There's that big puppy. There's that big puppy. Okay, and who's behind you? It's another bird, isn't it? A chickadee? Is it a chickadee? What do you think, Emma?
I think so.
Emma is stoked and ready to rip up the slopes. She's got her new helmet, and Emma and her dad are going to Crab Mountain. And Russell and I guess we're going to Odell Park. So what's your favorite run? Dave's Dream?
No, the David's Fun Run is super it's not, doesn't have a lot of hills, it's mostly like that, so it's kind of hard for me. But Daddy pulls me.
What does mean? Oh, it's more flat.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
I'm like, something like that. Yeah, but it's fun.
So in English,
I
can
like
you
going
tell
down
me?
the Black Diamond. Black circle is easy. A black diamond is hard. Double black diamond is super hard, and then triple black diamond. My dad told me you have to be an expert. Don't go on it.
I don't think there is a triple.
Yeah, Daddy says there's.
It's actually different colors, isn't it? The green circle is beginner, and then a blue is intermediate. Aren't they different colors?
Oh, I thought you
They are. Blue square is intermediate. Black diamond is hard.
I went on a black diamond and I survived.
Yeah, there's definitely a double diamond, but there
We
isn't.
started on a black diamond, but we finished on a blue. But that first part of that black diamond is really because when you try and stop, you can't stop. You either have to commit or sit. Oh, go over there, Russell. Go to your bed. Holy shit! Why?
Filming.
Oh, well, I mean, he just won't listen.
Because he doesn't want to go away.
Hello there, dude. Look at your sweater. Oh, now you said steal your
Oh,
toy.
you want Sophie some bad.
Shilly shilly shambo. Russell, get. What? He thinks you're on his side, sir.
She
She's gonna do it. Looks like she's gonna do it.
if you put her on her tummy, she'll do this kind of sideways thing. Here, flip her on her tummy.
We're gonna flip you like a little pancake here. And down. Back to it. There we go.
What's up? Hi, Lily. Well, she's doing this real sideways. What?
Look
I don't understand. You just ripped the camera.
Oh, she's gonna do it.
Hi, Lily. You're okay. You're okay. I know it's hard.
All right, not happy.